Hello everyone, I have a special surprise for you all. I have been working on my own prototype of the Horde leader himself, Hordak. Now the modifications I have done with this, first of all, I made him in scale with the 1980s toy line Hordak from Masters of the Universe. And I have also did some reconstructing on his weapons. First of all, we have his crossbow. I made it a tad bit bigger because the original one, it was this big, and due to wear and tear of the resin, yes, this is a resin figure because it is a prototype. It is not plastic. So due to the wear and tear of the figure as well as the weapons, this little, if I can get it, this little clip that fits on his arm is bound to break if I were to keep it in normal scale that big. So I made it bigger. Same thing with the arm cannon. Now here you will see a split because my settings in Cheeto box were too gargantuan. So it didn't print very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some modifications to that. But overall, this figure is in scale with the original Masters of the Universe toy line Hordak. And I am also thinking about doing the legs as well as the arms, the regular arms, of course, and the weapons in different colors. The possibilities are endless. Maybe I'll do the head as well, print them out in translucent colors, probably a translucent blue or green. Same thing for the whole body. Probably just make a entirely brand new figure and just call it like Slime Pit Hordak or Enchanted Hordak or Ghost of Hordak or something like that, because I'm all about fandom. So to nip it in the bud, for this video, I just wanted to share with you all what I have been working on lately. So I thank you all for tuning in. Take care. Goodbye.